All right, guys, today we're doing a portrait shoot. We're here in Paris, France with Ava. Actually, I worked with her in LA. She told me she's here, so I'm like, let's meet up and let's shoot. So here we are. We have the Reflector today. When you see a Reflector, it means big production, like we're gonna get arrested, everything. So we've got a big team today. It's just a giant piece of paper, like just bouncing back light. It's really nothing. But I think when the average person sees it, they're like, oh, like what's going on? Let's have hands in the front. Eyes down a little bit more. Yeah, right there. Bring your shoulder in, like this way. Yeah, right there. There you go, yes. Chin up. Great job. So as you can see, it's very busy. There's a lot of people, there's a lot of noise. That's how it is shooting outside. Okay, let's keep walking. So just walk around. I'm trying to find like small little area, maybe like a side street, maybe. I like that color. This right here, nice. Where'd he get that ice cream from? I'm trying to see. About to ask him like, where'd you get that cone from? It's looking like a waffle cone. Okay, I love this. Let's have you like up against this. We want the texture to show, yes. This is so nice to have someone with a reflector. This is Clémence, and she's helping me. She's my assistant today. I never have anyone hold a reflector. She's like, I'll hold one for you. So I was like, thank you. Let's try the gold set. What, is there gold? Oh, nice. Okay. Ooh, get that nice golden. Okay, let's try it. Is that good on your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch that piece of hair right there.
It's fine, I think.
Oh, wait. Was there someone there? I thought someone was trying to get out of their house and we're like keeping them in. I got scared for a second. I was like, we see the reflector. You can't use a reflector here. Okay. There you go. Good job. Can I do sitting? Would you mind? Let's do something like more like slouchy. Yeah. Can we do white now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Great job. Someone needs to answer the mom. Where is he? Jed, where are you? Oh, there she is. She's up in the window. Your mom's been calling you. Do something kind of like, perfect. There's the kid in question. I can hear him. Oh, here we have like a more quiet part of the street, minus the lady yelling from the window. But wait, stand right here, like under here. If you stand right here, yeah, there we go. Yes, I need you in my life. But for this shot, I don't know because this is full body. But thank you. Yeah, just like very simple. Yeah, legs together. You're just kind of like waiting for the bus or the metro, even though it's not even here. Yeah, very, very simple. You're just kind of like bored. Yeah, right there. Yes. Great job. You know what? Let me see right here. Oh, actually, we have a whole empty street. Oh, and there's bikes too. This is a cute, oh, this is so cute. We could do like a fake walking shot right here and it'll be safer. Okay, no, it's not because there's a car coming. But it was safer like a couple minutes ago when there was no cars. The trash reminds me of New York.
Aww.
I miss it, but I don't miss the trash. They probably pick that up sometime. Okay, let's just go for it. Let's just do a fake walking. You're walking in the city. You're meeting your friends for ramen. Okay, ready? Man, the trash is in the back. Can someone take the trash out? Is there somebody here? Where's that lady? Okay, so the trash is in the back of the shot. It's a gorgeous shot other than that. So let's start this off a little bit further down. Yeah, right here. And go ahead, take a step, yep. Walk, and then more like of your body towards me, like, yeah, right there. And go ahead. Great job, great, yes. Actually, keep walking the whole way.
Okay.
And ready, and go. Keep walking, great job, Ava. Love that, and then walk back towards me. Great, she killed it, she killed it, she killed it. Like Express, Catalog, Gucci, Vogue, this doesn't even, all those. Okay, almost got the trash in that one. If I position you right here, it doesn't even show. So I'm gonna cover the trash. No one's even gonna know. Take a step forward. I think I need to have you, yeah, closer so that we can cover it. There you go. And then bring your shoulder in. Yep, there you go, yes, perfect. Do something kind of like this. From the start, yep. And then go through the motion. And like, I want you looking out this way while you're doing it, yes. Both hands, yeah. Looking here. Great job. Perfect. The ones of you walking are like my absolute favorite, like these ones, look.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do this one more time. Okay. Love the walking shots. Okay, so we're gonna do the walking shots one last time. The lighting here is so beautiful. Why did I say the lighting? The light here. It's all the same, whatever. The light here is so beautiful. So we're gonna be doing one last walking shot and then I think we'll be good. Let's just go for it. And go ahead. Great. All the way and then walk back. Arms out a little bit more. And then walk, actually do it one more time. Great, great. Yes. Okay, let me take one last portrait of you right here. I think we'll be wrapped up and we'll use the reflector. So I want you to do something kind of like this. Like maybe arm up a little. I want you to be like looking out towards the street. Just like do a couple of variations, like have your hand kind of like this, yeah. Gorgeous, great job. You know what, let's do no, yeah, let's just do, yeah. Yeah, do something where you bring your shoulder, yeah. Yes, gorgeous, okay. Bring your shoulder in even more. And chin down a little bit. Take one step this way. Thank you, Clemence. Great. This is a really cute area. I think we're good. I think we got it. All right, guys, so we would not have been able to do any of this without my friend Clemence, who graciously held the reflector everywhere we went. She basically turned it into a big production for us. So thank you. And she was like doing the tour guiding today in Paris. She's from here, so we really appreciate it. And she translated menus for us, which is awesome. I did not know anything at the ramen place. I'm like, just read everything for me. So check out her Instagram. And also Ava, who flew all the way from America, not for this photo shoot, for vacation, but she ended up here with me. So thank you. And we hope you guys enjoyed the pictures. Let us know what you guys think, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Au revoir. Au revoir.